Yo guys, Master Markov here, and welcome to another Steam one-shot. Today, going to be playing Dabda. So this is basically a three-part puzzle game, and it's all a clicker. Oh hey, it's freaking Morty, and the Illuminati, and a mouse hole. I got an inventory button too. Oh. Wait, what? This sticker is completely useless and you just wasted your time? Oh. Ooh. That way, this way, and that way. Did it work? Nope, it didn't work. Okay. It's a number. 1991. I don't even know. Okay, let's try moving this way. Back. Can't read any of that. Ooh. I mean, am I supposed to go FM? No. Let's try AM. Nope, doesn't appear to work. Oh well. Alright. Let's try this mug. Nope. Alright. 471 dash. Uh-oh. Let's try 471 on this. 14th through 20 the storm. 23rd is the weekend. 15th is Friday. 11th is Mother Day. Okay. I keep exiting. I want to see that. So 471. I guess we will try that. Oh. Well, someone cut the cord. There's boxes. Ah, I can see into the stars. Ooh, that needs a key. Oh. Is this Morse code? Left, right, what? What? Hold on. So 4, 7, 1. Oh god dang it! Hold on. Let me try this again. 4, 7, 1. That didn't work. Let's try up. Oh, hey, bug! I got the bug. Okay, so that was the storm. This is the weekend. Illuminati, Rick and Morty. There's a lock on the fridge. Why? Okay. Anything I could do with any of that? Doesn't appear to be. What can I do with a drunken sailor? Collected 1 out of 50. Good God, don't tell me there's gonna be. I can't even see the full screen. There's part of my taskbar blocking, like, part of this. Okay, that's weird. Still gotta figure out what this is. So, the 11th is a Mother Day, 13th is Friday, the storm, and then the weekend. And I still don't know what any of that's supposed to mean. Let's try, checking this out. Whatever this means. Storm, the weekend, that was Mother's Day, I think, and, something else. Let me try this again. 4. Oh crap. Alright, hold on. Up. 4. 7, 1. Open. Ka-ching. Nope. Curses. Alright. You. Hey, you with the pretty face. Wait, what's on the ceiling? Just a fan. How about this ceiling? Still the same fan. How about literally any of this stuff? Like, any of it. Not even a little bit of it. Not having it? Okay. What does that mean? 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Dot, 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 dash. And then 7 is dash, dash, dot, dot, dot. And then left, right, left, right. What does that mean? 1 dot, 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 Okay. I don't know what any of this is supposed to mean. Am I supposed to put like dot, dash, 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 dash? Because that's not helping. So what's up with the Rick and Morty thing over here? Still don't know what any of this means. 1991. Wait. What if we do... Whoops, I already messed it up. If I do 1, then we do 9, and then we do 9, and then we do 1. Did that work? Doesn't seem to work. Like, at all. It's gotta be something to do with this, you'd think, right? 109.8. USB, none of that, any of that. Button. I'm just clicking here all over the place trying to figure this out. One of these things is not like the other. Anything, maybe it's the mouse hole. Nope. Oh. Scissors? Sizzies. Wait, scissors. Scissors for... what? Because I don't actually know. Oh, wait, hold on. I have a good feeling I'm supposed to use this somewhere. So let's try all of the paper. Cut, 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 cut. Nope. Let's try this radio. Nope, no, 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 nope. Okay. Let's try cutting the phone line more. Aha! That's how. Nope. Nope. It's a knot. How about cutting this book up and making origami? Nope. How about I take this because I saw that. Yeah, I noticed the sticker was choppy choppy. Nope. Cut some holes in there. Nope. I apparently can't do anything with these scissors. Let's try the bug. Bug. What you do? Buggy? Ooh. Whoa, wait a second. The bug is now here. Okay. What's that do for me? Can I, like, poke it with a stick? Can I do anything with the bug now? Doesn't appear that that did anything. Let's try this one more time. How about this? Freaking turn you on. Cut you up. Nope. Nothing. Crow! What the? Okay. I don't even want to know what that was. Get that out of my inventory. You just opened. Oh, 971. Okay. 471971. Is that the code to this thing? Okay, 47. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to restart this. 4 7 1 9 7 1. Open to sesame. Nope. Okay.
2 hours later.
What do you want with your tape? Oh. You freaking no. No. You've got to be joking with me. No. Tape. Come on. What could this tape possibly do? No, don't make me I gotta now find out what tape does. Quick, tape. Tape it up. Tape it all up. Tapey, tapey. Tapey, tapey. But what if I didn't? Tape. Taperino. Tape 'em with what's it? Nope. Okay, how about you? How about we try taping you, or some part of you? If I go back to here, use my inventory, get the scissors out, cut something on the page. Nope. If I use my tape out here, do something. Nope. Doesn't appear to want to do anything. Oh, aha! Oh my god. Oh, you son of a... Okay. 987654321. So... Alright, 978-547-1971. Crap, nope, wrong way. Damn. What was it? Okay, it's gotta be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 79. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 9, 7, 1. Let's try this again. 4, 7, 1, 9, 7, 1. I got nothing. Oh god, I have to actually know Morse code? Holy Jesus, wait, hold up, what? I gotta listen close.
Meanwhile,
I think it's 5, 3, 2, 1. I think it's 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. What's that say? What? No, what? X and O's? Stars? Triangles? No. God, no. What? No! Okay. You gotta make everything complicated. Oh, whoa, what's that? Oh my god, I didn't even see that there. I didn't even see that. Good god, why? Why did I not notice that? Okay. Alright, so... Neat. What do you want me to do about this? Like, in all actuality, what do you want me to do now? I got circle, I got X's, I got squares, triangles, stuff. Want me to beat you at tic-tac-toe? I can do that. I had everything written down for that Morse code thing too. Trying to listen in, like, really hard. Okay, let's figure this out.
a few moments later.
Very confused. Whoa! Oh, that helps. That helps a lot, actually. Triangle, star, circle, square. There you go. Triangle. I just had it. I just had it again. Star, circle, square. I got. Is that the freaking sun? Ooh, nice. Did I just get the sun? Did I just put the sun in my inventory and then... This is freaking me out. This is a little creepy. Where's that knocking come from? Oh! Okay. Ooh, Pink Floyd. Big fan. Big fan. I see you. You little bendy straw too. I see that too. Food, socks, undies, shirt. Raven. Money as well. Blah. Okay. Hey, I got a shirt and a knife. I got a kniff and a flashlight. And I also got this burger that I could cut with the knife. Alright, anything else that actually is of help to me at all? Oh god, it! Really? It. Don't tell me you got freaking it posters here. Yeah, freaking smash all the games with a knife. Or look at it really closely with a flashlight. Or eat and play some games with this sandwich. Apparently gotta look at everything now. Oh, is that my way out? That might be my way out. Moo money! Oh, wait a minute. Food, socks. So I gotta get socks. I got a shirt, and then Raven. So if I, like, I don't know, shine a flashlight or something somewhere, can I get the stuffing? Can I get stuffing? There's my socks. There's my game. Zzz thing. I don't know. Clicky, clicky. Ooh, flashlight. Cage. Good. I think. Maybe. Plug that in. Microwave Boiger. Ew. So not cool. Oh wait, do I need... Oh, is that both socks now? Okay. Well, I think I see where this is going. So I just gotta get like I gotta get a Raven to come in here. So I need like what, bread here, or the cage here. Let's start by putting this game in here. Oh my god, it's a Raven. That's so Raven. What if I put the bread somewhere? Like there, or at the window, or somewhere. If I move and then move back. Raven, why are you still there? Control him. Make the Raven get in the... Oh, well, shoot. I don't know where to put you. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put him down. Once I put him down somewhere, I'll have something. Put the Raven here. Put it anywhere. Nope, not there. Put the Raven down. Can I put the bread? Oh, what? Huh? Oh, honestly, I straight up just don't know what happened there. Can I open this? Fucking just, what? Undies? Really? Okay, listen. Food. Look at that. Food, socks, undie, money, shirt, Raven. Let me out! Oh crap, that actually worked. Why was that so easy? Oh, I should check more. I should check back at the place. Okay, alright, that's a thing that I got. What's with the chain here? Am I in Scrooge McDuck's house? Am I gonna see 3 ghosts? Oh no, not the flower. And a cane. Put the cane on this hook because it's nice. Because that's where canes go. I don't know. The hinges on this door look fairly loose. Are those bras? What are those? I don't even know anymore. If those are bras, why are you leaving them out in the open like that? Hey, this should go here. What is that? I cannot tell what that is. 54. 1. Birthday. Aww. Is that this? No, this. That go to this? Oh no. Man, it got real sad. Rough. Quick, go fetch. No, go. Fetch. Put this in your mouth. I don't know. Take it. I don't need it. Alright, what do you want? Flour. Bam. I just did it. Look at that. Flat, flat. Oh. Ooh. You know, it would be nice if I, like, had the rest, isn't it? So I'm guessing that's... alright. I see your ploy here. What the heck? Let me beat it out. Nope. Okay. Is that... Nope. Whoa, kniff and paper. The dog needs to be there. Male, female? Okay. Why is there always a raven? Alright, is that a dude? Whoa! Whoa, wait a minute. She freaking dead? Hold up. Oh! Oh, that's not... No! Wait, is he gonna be in there? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Get thee behind me, Satan, and don't push! Oh! Whew. Okay. I thought that was gonna be bad. I mean, it's still bad. Like, sheesh. Let me just get that. Break all the mirrors! Oh, shoot, that opens? A screwdriver. Okay. Alright. Screw. You. I don't know. Unscrew the door. Let me just get out. I can easily do that. Nope. No one uses common sense. Oh, God. Oh, do I have to... oh, no, he's in the coffin, isn't he? Do I put a flower on top of that now? Oh, I do. Oh, I do, don't I? Oh, I do, don't I? Oh, God. Okay. I don't want that anymore. I want... Yeah! Wait, are you missing a freaking eye? Okay. Alright. Doggo? How I put you back out? Bone. Cool. Take off bone. Go back to Cain. I don't know. That. Okay. If I get the screwdriver, what can I do with the screwdriver? I see you. Okay. Let's just close that. I don't know. Is a raven gonna come in? Can I undo the latches on the window? What if I pull up the bone here? Doggo. Smell. Sniff. What do your elfin eyes see? Can you help? Something? Raven. Let me get that box back out. Dog, sit, raven, there. Okay. I'm guessing, because that's how it normally works, I'm gonna have to use this for something here. See that, you little... I'm telling you, it's gotta be something with that window. That window, it's gotta be that. What is that? Do I have to, like, clothe them or something? Oh, wait. What did I just get? What is that? And how does it help me? Oh. Okay. And sit. Bad boy. There. That totally works. Kill Fido? I don't even know. What do you want me to do? What? Gimme shelter. Before fade away. Lord Children's just shot away. Gimme the apple. Look, the apple, and then if I leave and if I come back, nope, it's still there. Blurg. Can I not just open the windows? That'd be so much easier. Give me the book or something. Anything. The flitters. Can I... Ding. Oh, God, I'm gonna have to do it in order. Okay, so... who's what? Is that a car? Is that your first car? You're kind of balding. Is that you giving... do you have a kid? You giving your kid... okay. Let's start with, let's start with... baby. One. And then, that. This. That. First car marriage, 54. When I'm 64. Nope. Did it work? Didn't work. Okay. Maybe you gave birth to the baby and you're taking pictures of this one. Okay. Let's go, first you, since that looks like him. First you got your degree. Nope, you probably first got that. This, marriage, baby. Feed the baby. Get that. I don't even know. Okay. Let's, the clock strikes 1. Oh God, I'm gonna have to do you in order, and I don't know which order or how I'm gonna do it. Let's do baby 1, marriage. Wait, I don't even know. What? Hold on. Kid 1 that playing. Let's go off to college, married, car 54. I just heard a call. No, get back here! Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Let me out! Hey! Thank you for playing. Woo! The end. So, that was a nice little game, Dabda. I really liked it. I liked it for the art style, the statistics. What's my stats? I guess I'll never know my stats. Oh, well. Well. It's cool. Well, I like the game, personally. So, if you liked it, and you'd like to see more Steam one-shots... Oh, there it is. Okay, alright. God... Blah, blah. Look at that! Look at the difference! 22 minutes, 3 seconds. 3 minutes, 41 seconds. 13 minutes, 5 seconds. Look at that! Look at that! God, I wish I did that a lot faster. 8 out of 15. Darn it. I'm not even playing full screen, so I can't see the bottom part of the screen to know. I could reset. I could put settings and put it on really hard. Nope, apparently not. Well, I like this game. I hope you did too. And if you like it and would like to see more Steam one-shots, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll see you next time. Peace.